Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 60 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into devices settings and scrolling all the way down to access privacy. Now tap on permissions at the top on the left and select permission manager. Following that, tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone, and then click on one of your apps. I will go with Maps from Not Allowed section. Lastly, click on the best option for you to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Maps just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using them. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage. Now instead of selecting one of those options, scroll all the way down and tap on See All, in my case Chrome, Permissions. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!